Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to add subtitles to a video by using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. After clicking the link, this page will be open. Click on start for free. Then you can upload your file here. I'll upload a file. I'll select this video and click enter. Once the video is uploaded, click on subtitles. Here I'll click auto subtitles, and from here you can select the language. I'll select English and create subtitles. Wait until the subtitles are generated. Now you can see the subtitles are generated. Let's play the video.
Time, like a flowing river, carries us relentlessly forward, reminding us that every moment is a precious opportunity to shape our destiny.
You can also edit the text. Here are some fonts. After editing the video, you will click on done and export your video from here. This is how you can add subtitles to your video by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.